asked by the Make-A-Wish Foundation to remodel a bedroom for a little boy named Ezra. We have just 3 days to complete a video game-themed room before the big reveal for him and his family. Today is the construction phase. We are demoing the existing closet to create a separate game room with a loft above. We knocked out framing, drywall, and finished the flooring and baseboards. Day 1 went great. Start of day 2. Today, we are painting all day and prepping for wallpaper. One of my favorite features of the room is the hidden entrance to the secret game room. I decided to take on a little project of my own, and I am painting some Minecraft-inspired boxes to go with the game-themed room. It's the end of day 2, and we are right on track. We're so excited for the final step of staging and getting ready for the big reveal. This is it, last day. Everything that's left gets done today. We're installing carpet, adding wallpaper, furniture, and decor. We are so excited to see this project finally coming together. In only 3 days, we transformed this bedroom and added a game room. We're so excited to finally show Ezra and his family.